How to use the Do Not Disturb mode on iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from the Solution Guide, and in today's guide video I'm simply going to show you how you can actually use or enable the DND or the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPad or any of the iOS devices which you have. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, if you want to understand what the Do Not Disturb basically is, I will simply show you in easy language. So let's say I'm recording a certain video, and when I'm showing it to others, I do not want notifications to pop up. I do not want any types of calls or disturbance since I'm recording it. And in that case, you can use the handy feature called Do Not Disturb mode. This is basically available on any other Android or iOS devices. It is also available on your iPad. So in order to enable that, first of all, you could simply swipe down your quick panel settings from the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to see this moon-like icon. Now keep in mind that you do not need to necessarily add Do Not Disturb mode manually on your control center. By default, it is always going to remain there. Now you could simply turn on or long press on it right over here, and you can select until when you want to turn on Do Not Disturb. For example, for 1 hour, you want to receive any type of notifications for 1 hour, or you could simply select until this evening or until you leave this location. But in that case, you could go ahead and do that manually. If you can turn on and then turn off, you could go ahead and do that. But let's say you want to customize a few more settings from within the DND mode. Well, in that case, you have to simply go over and then open up the settings app. Once you open the settings, on the left hand side, simply select this moon-like icon which says Do Not Disturb. It is going to be highlighted in blue once you select that particular text. If you want to turn on Do Not Disturb, on the top right, turn on this toggle. You can also select silence always or when iPad is locked, and you can also allow calls. For example, you can add exception calls when you're on the Do Not Disturb mode. For example, even if you have blocked all of the notifications, you simply want to receive a call from this particular person, then you could simply tap on it and then simply select any of the contacts which you have. Or you could also simply turn on repeated calls notification. If that person keeps calling you over and over again and you might think that it is an urgent case, then you could go ahead and simply pick up that call. And this is how you can use the Do Not Disturb mode. As in my case, you can see it is currently turned on. If it is turned on, you will also see this little moon-like icon at the very top of the screen. If you don't see it really visibly, it's because you're on the dark mode, so you can simply turn it off as well if you want. Hopefully this answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.